Today, we're making this double layer snowflake pendant. We'll crochet one small snowflake and one large snowflake, then layer them together. It uses double crochets and chain loops, so if you know the basics, you can follow along easily. You'll need sport weight cotton blend yarn, along with a 2mm and a 3mm crochet hook. Let's begin with the small snowflake. Use the 2mm hook and blue yarn. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. You can place a stitch marker into the third chain to help you find the joining point later. Chain 2. This completes one group. Now, make one double crochet into the magic ring. Chain 2, that makes 2 groups. Repeat this pattern until you have 6 groups in total. Join with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 1 is complete. For round 2, slip stitch into the large space next to you. This is the space created by the chain 2 loops from the previous round. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Work 4 more double crochets into the same space, making 5 double crochets in total. Chain 2. Repeat the same pattern until you have 6 groups in total. Join with a slip stitch. Round 2 is complete. Round 3. Now we're creating the snowflake petals. First, slip stitch into the next large space. Then we'll start making the first petal. Chain 3. Then make a slip stitch. Next, chain 5, then make a slip stitch. Then chain 7 and slip stitch to create the pointed tip. Continue with chain 5, then make a slip stitch. Finally, chain 3, make a slip stitch, then skip 1 stitch. That's 1 petal complete. Make 6 petals in total, 1 in each large space. Repeat the same pattern for the remaining petals. Chain 1, then fasten off. Weave in all the ends. The small snowflake is complete. For the large snowflake, follow the same method. Simply switch to the 3mm hook. All 3 rounds are made the same way, so we won't repeat them here. Now let's assemble the pendant. Place the 2 snowflakes together, with the smaller one slightly offset. Secure them together with glue, then add any decorations you like. Your double-layer snowflake pendant is finished. Thank you for crocheting with me. See you in the next project.